Alright guys, just got done with my extension here in the Philippines for the first month coming back to the Philippines, and the price did go up a little bit. Normally, or before it was about 3,000 pesos. Now it's about 4,060 pesos is what I paid today. So just be prepared for that for your first extension. Second extension, it goes up even more because of the ACR card that you'll have to purchase. But yeah, man, just get ready for that if you plan to stay longer than 30 days. And generally, I try to be ahead of schedule about a week, at least week or 2 weeks beforehand, just so you're never caught off guard on what's going on. And thank you guys for watching the videos. Keep supporting the channel by watching the lives and coming up in the comments. Feel free to ask any questions, guys, about here in the Philippines or traveling to Asia or anything like that. I'll try to answer them as the best I can. And I will see you guys tonight in the next live. Catch you guys later.